All right, YouTube, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today, got a real quick one for y'all. So I'm using my Tornador pressure washer right now. So I just wanted to bring y'all along to show y'all real quick how it works. But first I wanted to show y'all how to change this nozzle that's basically inside of here that's doing all the work. So all you gotta do is just switch, turn this off. So you're gonna take the head off. All right. Then you wanna screw this nozzle out. This is the old one. As you can see, I've been using it. So screw this out. You might need a crescent wrench like this to get it out if it's too tight. Pull that off. Now you wanna take your new one. Slide this on. Now these are aftermarket. I got these off of Amazon. So this thread here is a little longer than the old ones. So as you can see, so when you, oh shit, bloopers. So when you put it on, you're going to see that it's going to stick out a little further, but that's all right. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Gotta get it in there. All right, so tighten it down. Snug it up, put your nozzle back on. So yeah, it's that simple. That's how you change out the nozzle. So I had a hard time finding these new nozzles. I couldn't find them anywhere, but then I just found it on Amazon. So I already got it filled up because I was already using it. So we could get right back to it, and I'm gonna show y'all how it works. All right, so we back at the car. I forgot to mention, so you will need air. If you don't have one of these already and you're looking for something like this, just know you will need an air compressor to run this machine, and it takes a good amount of air, so it can't be just like a little cheap air compressor. You're going to need pretty good air compressors to run it. So now we're back in the car. So as you can see, this chair is dirty. So I'm gonna clean it up real quick. So show y'all how this thing works. So like I said, I already got the solution in here. So as you can see, the dirt. All right, so had to turn that compressor off real quick, but that's not the smallest air compressor, and this little machine still makes that thing turn on. So, forgot where I was at. So yeah, so I already started cleaning it. So now with this machine, you can use this for any type of upholstery, leather, house, furniture, anything you can use this machine for. So that's why I like it. So let me get back into it and show y'all how easy and how well this machine takes off dirt. So as you can see, the dirt there, I mean, it's just dirt from work. That's why I hate driving my cars after work, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you how well this thing takes off this dirt. Now, these are white seats. So this car in particular and the Honda, they got white seats. So it's easier for these seats to pick up dirt compared to the other cars. But as y'all can see, this dirt is just running off. Like, it's just coming off. So, and obviously the more passes you do, the more dirt you're gonna get off. So I'm not gonna really get in, you know, in too deep with doing this. I just want to show y'all how it works in case y'all need something for your vehicles or your house furniture or whatever the case may be. Now, I got to give y'all a heads up. If y'all want to get the original Tornado like this, it might run you about 200, 230, 260 bucks, somewhere like that. But if you get the knockoff is like 30 bucks off of Amazon or eBay. So if I was you, that's what I would get, because, you know, something like this ain't worth $200-300, but it is what it is. But if you want the name brand, you will have to pay that price. So this is the one I got, Joint Stars, whatever. Bought it off eBay years ago, and it literally does the same thing. So give y'all a little heads up. All right, y'all, so in short, I pretty much showed y'all how well this works and how much dirt that I got off. But I think, look, I think my air compressor just died out of air because I forgot that I turned it off. All right, so yeah, I guess we could just end the video there. So look, if I put it back in auto, it's going to automatically turn back on. Y'all see that? I'm all the way down to like 50 psi. I don't have no pressure. That's exactly why it's not working. But yeah, y'all, yeah, if y'all need something like that to clean your car furniture, I mean your car interior or your house furniture or whatever like that, this tool is crazy, man, and it works. So yeah, if I helped you out in this video, showed you something a little different, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll check you on the next one.